Good morning all. So today we are going to discuss about anesthesia vaporizer. And so before starting the presentation, I would like to say two things that figures and illustration which I am putting in the slides are from standard textbook and few are from the internet. So this is mainly used for understanding. So what is the objective of today's class is that we are going to understand the working principle of all the current vaporizer which is being used in our anesthesia. So we will be talking about a few general principles and we will be talking about a few individual vaporizer. And then draw over and in-circuit vaporizer which are old and it is not being used anymore, we are not going to discuss about. So if you are talking about vaporizer, what is vaporizer? A vaporizer is an instrument designed to facilitate the change of liquid anesthetic into vapor. That means whenever you want to use a liquid anesthetic agent in its vapor form, you have to use a vaporizer. When it was discovered or invented, you will be surprised to appreciate this, that the invention of the vaporizer was at the same time when we considered the anesthesia was discovered. That is in the same year 1846. This is the anesthesia equipment or the bottle which is used by WTC Morton to deliver the first anesthesia. If you look into it, you have a small sponge which was used to increase the surface area for evaporation in this device to deliver the anesthetic agent into vapor form. And what has happened over 170 years, that is more than 1.5 century in this field, is more and more research and development and invention has happened to have more control, more accuracy and more safer device in this field. So whatever evolution has happened in this field has happened in this line. Now, once the concept of MAC came in 1965, the precision control become very important. There we have to exactly control the output of the vaporizer. That is where the vaporizer, the initial definition what I have shown, we can change it little bit now. Now the current accepted vaporizer definition is a vaporizer is an instrument designed to facilitate the change of liquid anesthetic into vapor in a controlled manner. The control has become more important in the current scenario. So all the development has happened in last 80 to 100 years is towards the control. So if you just look at the evolution of vaporizer, the initial vaporizer as the first vaporizer and few vaporizer will be seen now subsequently were very simple, and the same vaporizer were being used for multiple agents. You can use more than one agent in a same vaporizer, and it used to be passive. So that means vaporization was passive, no active thing were added into that, and most of them were manual control. Even now we are using many manual control, but the evolution has changed. So it has become more complex device and it has become